Hey y'all, look at this. It's bacon. Who don't like bacon? We're fixing to make some bacon fried corn. And you talk about good to eat. Y'all just come over here and watch. All right, y'all. Main ingredient right here is this bacon. It's got to be thick bacon, and I cut it in little pieces. It's gonna be good. Well, first thing we're gonna cut up some of these peppers. When we was kids, we'd pick our own peppers all the time because we raised peppers. My grandpa and them raised peppers, and it's just something we grew up picking. We actually used to pick a lot of peppers, a lot of strawberries, a lot of this and that. But that's what we did. All right, y'all see I'm removing this inside right here. That's real bitter. You really don't want to eat that. I mean, it ain't good. Next thing, we're gonna cut these things a little bitty strips like this. I think both of them, the red and the green, to me taste the same. So I like to get one of each, mainly for the color. Makes a beautiful color. All right, we're done with these peppers. Well, it's just pretty colors, ain't it? And they look good cooked down. Then we got a red onion here. We love our onions. We're gonna peel this thing, cut it up. We used to grow a lot of onions here too. Onions really grow really good around here. So it's the soil. But we grew them all our life. Green onions, shallots, all of it was grown right here. But now it's about over. Same as people making their own bacon and stuff. When Grandpa would butcher a hog, they would get that hog and cut it up, and we'd make sausage and this and that, everything. Nothing was wasted on the hog. And at the end there, what we'd do, we'd cut the bacon off, and my grandpa and them would cure it. Then we'd smoke it. Oh, that was so good. And actually, I still do that when I got time to go hog hunting. All right, y'all, this starting to look pretty good. These are red onions, and the reason we're using these, it's just gonna make the dish look pretty. Plus, they taste really good. All right, y'all, got all these onions cut up. Well, that's pretty color, ain't it? I like to make pretty food. Then we're gonna throw this bacon on there and get it going. This is the star of the show right here. We're gonna get the oil out of this bacon, and that's what we're gonna cook with. But there ain't nothing wrong with bacon oil. All right, y'all. Y'all see I got these both of them on low. All of them on low right now. And anyway, the reason we got it on low, if we let this render down, we're gonna get our good oil out of it. It's not gonna overcook it. Look at that oil coming out. All right, y'all, we're gonna be back in a few minutes as soon as this bacon's cooked. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, bacon's not cooked yet, but what we're gonna do is roll it over to this side a little bit, let it cook. Got the good old bacon oil all over the place. And we're gonna spread this out so it can cook. Now I'm gonna crank up this heat over here for the corn and open this bag up. We turned up the heat high just to get this stuff cooking. All right, y'all. The reason we're doing this like this, I got it up on high because this corn is frozen. So it's gonna knock the heat down on your griddle. Got to mix it all in here, make sure the bacon grease gets on it. You turn this first. Oh yeah, the bacon's starting to come around a little bit. Just ready to talk to it. All right, y'all, we got this corn going, the bacon's going. Time for your onions. Look at it, and peppers. Look at that. Now this is gonna make it look real pretty. I mean, you can pretty much put whatever vegetables you want in here. As long as you got your corn and bacon, you're good. But it's time to add other stuff. Cajun blend, you know I got to have that. I like to season my stuff as we go. That way you can taste it every once in a while and see how much you got on it. But I like good seasoning, Cajun seasoning. So, all right, y'all, we got this tequila lime on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my veggies. I'm gonna put a good bit of this now. Y'all know I like my seasonings. Now we got to add some butter to this. So I'm gonna put about a half a stick of butter in here. I like butter. Butter makes it better. Drop that in there and let it melt down a little bit. Can't forget the garlic. You know we love garlic down here. Put some of this garlic paste here and there and everywhere. That's enough right there. This is melting down. What we're gonna do is mix it all together. Look at there. Make one big happy family. Ooh. Now the star of the show. Come on over here. The bacon. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. It's about ready. We're gonna let this go ahead and cook a few more minutes, and then we're gonna start plating it up. My favorite part, I get to taste it. All right, y'all, it's time to plate this up, and it's gonna be good. I got my little scoop over here. We're gonna use that. I love this thing. It really makes things a lot easier. We're gonna put some cilantro on here. We got this cheese we're gonna put on here. A little more seasoning maybe. And ooh, it's gonna be good. I'm ready to eat it. All right, y'all, when we was a kid, my grandpa and them plant corn. Boy, the first sweet corn you get out of that, cook it up. Oh God, that's so good. We just ate it all the time. Corn was cheap and easy to grow. So we had that all our lives coming up. Y'all, this is fun, it's simple to make, but you gotta remember the bacon is the star here. Your corn, your veggies, all that, a little cheese on top. And hey, it don't get no better than this.
Tonight you're cooking with the